Hi guys! So for today's vlog, nag-shabu-shabu kami dito sa Ginza dahil nag-crave si Kuya Pao. So unlimited yung vegetable and meat. So ayan, tingnan nyo naman yung meat. Napaka-fresh at napaka-pink. So ayan, nilalagay na yung sauce. Ayan, at si G-Style nag-start ng magluto. So ayan, at si Kuya Jiro, ayan. And the rest of the family. So, ayan. Busy na ang lahat magluto. Dahil medyo gutom na rin kami, guys. Kasi, past 8 o'clock na to. So, ayan. So, isang hilera kami dyan. So, nagpa-reserve si Kuya Pao to make sure na meron kaming space or seats. So, ayan ang everybody. Si Ate Kat, si Kuya Aldrin, si Kumare, si Kuya Pao, si Ate Maika, si Ate Iya, si Ate Krisha, at katabi ni Kumare si Ate Nora. So, ayan. Ito na yung itsura ng aming shabu-shabu. So, comment down below. So, after niya, nag-decide na kami nila G-Style umuwi. So, ayan na yung train papunta sa house namin. So, alright guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye guys!